Join me as I dive deep into the world of YouTube SEO and challenge myself to uncover some secrets that could skyrocket my channel's growth. When it comes to growing your audience and visibility on YouTube, one of the most important factors is SEO, or search engine optimization. It's the difference between getting lost in the noise and getting found by the people who matter most, your target audience. But for many creators, SEO remains a mystery, a secret only a select few seem to have unlocked. Today, I'm going to change that for you. I'm going to share with you the secrets of YouTube SEO, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to take your channel to the next level. The reality is, getting your videos seen on YouTube is tough. The competition is fierce, with millions of hours of content uploaded every single day. And if you're not careful, your hard work can end up buried on page 10 of the search results where nobody ever ventures. Many creators struggle to get their videos in front of the right people. And it's not because they're not creating great content. It's because they're not speaking the language of YouTube's algorithm. They're not using the keywords that matter. They're not optimizing their titles and descriptions, and they're not creating thumbnails that grab attention. We've all been there. You upload a video, you're excited to share it with the world, and then crickets. You get a handful of views, maybe a few likes, and that's it. It's like you're shouting into a void. And it's frustrating because you know you're creating high-quality content that deserves to be seen. But the problem isn't your content, it's your SEO. You're not giving YouTube the signals it needs to understand what your video is about, and therefore it's not showing it to the right people. I've seen it time and time again. Creators putting all their effort into creating amazing videos, but neglecting the optimization process. They're leaving it up to chance, hoping that somehow, some way, their video will magically appear at the top of the search results. But it doesn't work that way. YouTube is a search engine, and like any search engine, it needs to be told what your content is about. So, if you're tired of feeling like you're throwing darts in the dark, hoping one of them will stick, then keep watching, because I'm about to share with you the strategies that will change the game for you. Keyword research is a crucial part of any SEO strategy, and on YouTube, it's no different. You need to understand what keywords your target audience is searching for, and optimize your video accordingly. That means using those keywords in your title, description, and tags. It means creating a thumbnail that accurately represents the content of your video, and it means writing a description that's engaging, informative, and optimized for search. When it comes to optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags, there are a few key things to keep in mind. Firstly, you want to make sure you're using your target keywords in each of these areas, but you don't want to overdo it. Stuffing your title and description with keywords is a surefire way to get your video flagged for spam. Instead, focus on using them naturally, in a way that feels authentic and organic. Secondly, make sure your thumbnail is eye-catching and relevant to the content of your video. This is what's going to grab people's attention and make them want to click on your video. One of the biggest mistakes creators make when it comes to SEO is neglecting the importance of analytics. YouTube Analytics is a treasure trove of information, telling you exactly what's working and what's not. It shows you which keywords are driving traffic to your videos, which demographics are engaging with your content, and even which parts of your video are causing viewers to drop off. By using this data, you can refine your SEO strategy, optimize your videos for better performance, and ultimately, get more views, likes, and subscribers. But here's the thing. Most creators aren't using analytics to their full potential. They're not digging deep into the data, they're not experimenting with different keywords and tags, and they're not optimizing their videos based on their performance. And that's where the magic happens. When you start to use analytics to inform your SEO strategy, that's when you start to see real results. That's when you start to see your videos climbing the rankings, getting more views and attracting more engagement. So, what's the secret to skyrocketing your channel's growth using YouTube SEO? It's simple. It's about using trending topics to your advantage. By identifying trending keywords and incorporating them into your SEO strategy, you can tap into the existing traffic and get your videos seen by a massive audience. It's like riding a wave of popularity, and it's incredibly powerful. But it requires you to be nimble, to be able to adapt quickly to changing trends and topics. It requires you to be willing to experiment, to try new things, and to take risks. By leveraging trending topics, you can get your videos in front of a massive audience, and that's when the magic happens. That's when you start to see your channel growing, your audience engaging, and your views skyrocketing. And it's not just about the views. It's about the credibility, the authority, and the influence that comes with being a top-ranked creator on YouTube. So, to recap, the secrets of YouTube SEO are all about using the right keywords, optimizing your titles, descriptions, and tags, creating eye-catching thumbnails, and leveraging analytics to refine your strategy. It's about using trending topics to your advantage and being willing to adapt and experiment. And most importantly, it's about being consistent, persistent, and patient. YouTube SEO is not a quick fix. It's a long-term strategy that requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn and improve. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. If you have any experiences with YouTube SEO, please share them in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more valuable tips on YouTube growth and optimization. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll catch you in the next video.